Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today we're going to be talking about Crypto.com, and we're going to be talking about Crypto.com versus FTX and Binance, just as we've kind of been discussing in some of our previous videos. But I'm going to give you guys some very specific metrics on user growth. I'm also going to give you some ideas about some of the advertising space that they've been acquiring, and also some of the news stories that have been coming about these exchanges as of late. And I think these are very important things to understand where Crypto.com and Cronos chain is in comparison to the rest of the exchanges in the crypto ecosystem. So stick around for this video as we got some news coming at you guys. I'll share some articles and a bunch of stuff about the crypto market here as we go through the content today. Hope y'all are getting ready for the weekend. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. If you haven't done so already, smash up the like button and subscribe to the channel. And as always, take advantage of the link in the description down below. I got $4,100 available for you guys. If you click on the link in the description down below, you can get some free money when you want to open up a trade on Bitcoin or Ethereum. There's $4,100 for you guys there, so check that out as well. Let's hop into the charts and take a peek here at the market cap for crypto for the day, and then we'll hop into some of these stories. But been a good day for crypto. $1.14 trillion is the market cap for crypto. Bitcoin was just about to touch $25,000 again today, but it did not. Ethereum was just a touch away from $2,000. So that was very exciting to see. And Crypto.com and FTX have been doing very well today, just hanging out around that 15-cent and $30 price level for FTX. So looking pretty good. Well, how is Crypto.com stacking up against FTX and Coinbase right now? Well, here was a cool story today that I want to share with you guys. So if you didn't see this one, Coinbase has plenty of cash to survive this crypto winter, says an analyst. This is a Yahoo Finance article that I saw today, and I wanted to show this one to you guys because here's the story. So we've been in the month of August here for now 11 days. I think it's the 11th. And we have had a lot of bearish news articles that have basically said that Coinbase this, Coinbase that, very bearish. The Q2, Q3 earnings have been bad. A lot of FUD about Coinbase. Also, Coinbase has a lawsuit against the SEC. So you've seen some negative stories. You've also seen some negative stories about FTX's involvement with Voyager and Celsius, one or the other. And so this has been part of the story here in the month of August. Now, I've been bullish this whole month, but these news articles have been very bearish, specifically on these crypto exchanges. So, if you're a Crypto.com holder, Coinbase, FTX, even Binance, really, you've been looking at this month and going, wow, this isn't very good news stories. But in the fair side, you did see the partnership with BlackRock and Coinbase, which was very good. Through the Aladdin service, they're able to offer investing strategies to their customers for Bitcoin and crypto through BlackRock. So that's great. Coinbase partnered with them there. So you've had a mixed message, but this is a great story. Coinbase has plenty of cash, and this is the story about crypto exchanges. When you think about it, it's very straightforward. Coinbase is the biggest exchange on the iPhone. When you come and you look at a crypto exchange, you want to download an application on your iPhone. You're going to look at Coinbase, guys. That's just how it's going to go. Then you might look at FTX. You might look at Coinbase. Well, that's a reality, and that's how it is. And these exchanges have plenty of cash. How do I know this? Well, here's an article about it. They go into it. An analyst is looking at this. During a crypto winter, Coinbase is going to be fine. That's why BlackRock acquired them. They know that this exchange has plenty of cash. Well, so does Crypto.com and FTX. How do I know that? Well, look at the advertising they've been doing. Coming up here in September and October, November, you're going to see the FIFA World Cup for soccer, one of the largest sports in the history of the globe we call Earth, is coming up, and Crypto.com is an exclusive partnership with them there, along with F1 Racing, UFC, the Staples Center's naming rights, you name it. Also, FTX getting Super Bowl commercials. You see I'm on every MLB jersey for any umpire you watch a game. This is the story of these crypto exchanges. And so this is the truth. These crypto exchanges are awesome projects. Any crypto exchange that has a coin, too bad Coinbase doesn't have a coin, is probably a great investment. And that's what I've been saying about Crypto.com and FTX, Binance Coin, of course, as well, all along. Now, frankly, I do like I do like Crypto.com and FTX quite a bit more than Binance due to the exposure to the United States market, as I think the U.S. is very crypto-friendly. I may be biased. I am from the U.S., but you have been seeing a lot of advertising going on in major sports teams, and I do believe personally, and I think the history of the world has showed that America and its, how do we say this, all-stars, Hollywood celebrities, and social media influencers are one of the biggest influencers on the globe when it comes to the internet and getting a message out. I think people do look to America for the culture in many circumstances, not through and through, but these exchanges promoting themselves, I think it's going to help. So very, very bullish for Crypto.com here. Very exciting to see. Love that story. Another one I wanted to share with you guys was this one. After a brutal Q2, Coinbase needs to get smart about revenue stream, says analyst. So that's two analysts. We got one analyst that says they got to get smart, and we got another one that says plenty of cash. So here's the story, guys. One says they got plenty of cash, don't worry. Another analyst says got to get smart. No matter what story you're looking at, I don't care if you're talking about money. I don't care if you're talking about politics, which is arguably kind of the same thing. I don't care if you're talking about your favorite color. I don't care if you're talking about, left, right, up, down, sideways, left, right, whatever it is, someone's going to have a different opinion than you. But what we have to do as investors is decide what we want to believe. There's always going to be a story, folks. Someone's going to agree with you. Someone's going to disagree with you. What you have to do is you have to look at their argument and you have to decide, is that a valid argument or is it not? And this analyst saying, Coinbase needs to get smart about their revenue streams. Frankly, I think that's ridiculous because they are cash rich, just like every other crypto exchange in existence. Well, I shouldn't say that because we've seen Voyager, we've seen Celsius, but Coinbase, Crypto.com, FTX, Binance, doing well. At this point, they're doing well. So I'm going to squash this analyst. I'm going to follow this analyst. And I just want to show you guys that. Now, another thing I want to look at. Now, recently, we talked a little bit about the amount of users on Binance. Well, there's 90 million users on Binance, and they've been growing about, they've been growing fast. They've been growing very fast. FTX, very curious about that. Crypto.com, they have grown very, very fast. Very, very fast. And even quicker than Binance. Binance is currently at 90 million users, and Crypto.com is currently at 50 million users. I check out my recent video on the user growth for Crypto.com and Binance. I'll go through some of the numbers on that and the difference in the speed of growth for these two exchanges. But the argument is settled. Crypto.com is growing faster than Binance. That's just a fact. They're a little bit more focused on the social media and iPhone mobile app side of things than Binance and FTX, and I think that's an advantage for them. And so today, I was curious, how many users does FTX have? Well, here's a fun fact for you guys. If you guys can tell me in the comments down below, please tell me how many users we're in August of 2022 does FTX have? Because I can't find it on the internet. I've been looking around. They talk about 100,000 users here back in 2019. When you go to FTX and you try to look up how many users they have, 1.2 registered users in total, which is a tiny, tiny fraction compared to the 50 million or the 90 million that Binance has. 50 million for Crypto.com, 90 million for Binance. But when you look at the FTX exchange itself and you look at what they're saying, on the exchange? Well, guys, they are looking, I think they say here like 1 million users or something. Join the 1 million users. So there's not really too much going on. I mean, there is. It's a huge exchange. They had a Super Bowl ad, but they're not even close to the amount of folks that are using Crypto.com and Binance. That's just kind of how it is. So join over 1 million users who choose FTX as seen on Bloomberg, CNN, and CNBC. This is just how it is. So FTX acquired a company called Blockfolio, which was a great portfolio tracker for all you crypto holders out there. I just don't think they're getting as much traction as Crypto.com or Binance. And I think that Crypto.com is truly the fastest growing exchange between the three of them, and I'm leaving Coinbase out because Coinbase doesn't have its own coins, so it kind of separates itself from the pack there. But, you know, FTX is certainly making a lot of acquisitions. They are very crypto rich. They've made some very, very good moves. They made some great acquisitions. So in that regard, they're doing a great job. But in terms of the user growth, Crypto.com is winning. This is a fact. This is what I want to share with you guys today. So if you're a Crypto.com holder, look, in the next bull run, when you look at the previous prices of Crypto.com, you see that we have almost hit $1. And we were up at, 90 cents, 98 cents on some exchanges. $1 is going to happen in the next bull run. If it doesn't, frankly, I'll be shocked. I will be shocked. If Cronos doesn't hit $1 in the next bull run, I'll eat a piece of paper live here on this stream. Because I'm very, very confident that it's going to happen. The question is, can a $5 CRO happen? And I certainly believe that it's possible. If you don't believe me, check out one of my more recent videos about a $5 CRO. Cronos, Crypto.com coin. I lay out a pretty decent argument on that for you guys there. But when you look at the user growth versus Binance and FTX, it's got to make sense, guys. Now, stay posted. I'm going to come at you with you guys 3 videos every single day. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button and subscribe to the channel. And as always, guys, you got to remember to DCA HODL. And we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day. And I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.